Good morning, class. It's Tuesday, April 7th, and we're going to grab our yellow duotangs and work on our calendar. Remember, you can color the picture for your April calendar if you're not finished that yet. And then we're going to pop in and take a look at the special days we have so far this month. We need to add a nice clear number 7 here for today, Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. And we have a lot of special days this month. Wednesday, April 1st, was April Fool's Day. Friday, April 3rd, was Emerson's birthday. This week, on Thursday, April 9th, Passover begins. And on Friday, April 10th, there's no school for a holiday called Good Friday. On Sunday, April 12th, is Easter. And on Monday, April 13th, there's no school for a holiday called Easter Monday. We move on to the next week on Wednesday, April 22nd, when we have Earth Day. And on Friday, April 24th, when Ramadan begins. Saturday, April 25th, is Max's birthday. And Thursday, April 30th, is the end of April. Please add your number 7, neat and clear. Take a look at all of our special dates. Maybe pop into Starfall calendar, starfall.com, and see if you can put on some special dates on the calendar. Find number 7 and color your umbrella. You should have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now 7 colored. The forecast for today says that it's going to be sunny and cloudy. So you can choose to put a tally mark under sunny or a tally mark under cloudy. I'm going to add mine under sunny today. And on our weather graph, you have further choices. You can choose to put a sunny bar or a partly sunny bar. I'm going to choose the partly sunny bar because I didn't have that option back on the tally mark page. So color it nice. Brown for partly sunny, yellow for sunny, and if my forecast is really off and it's super windy, rainy, or snowy, please color the correct weather for the morning when you do your activities. Move with us to number of the day. Flipping through to our next page. We're always going to start with the date at the top of our page so we can remember we need to practice writing the date at the top of our page. Today is Tuesday. We'll put the full word, a better Y, April 7th. If you left yourself space like I didn't, you can add the year 2020. We're going to be talking about the number 14 today. Remember, we want to look at whether or not it's even or odd. If you know right away that 14 is the answer to a double addition question, like I do, 7 plus 7 is 14, then you would know it must be even, because if I had 14 cookies, I could share them with my best friend, 7 for them and 7 for me. That'd be a lot of cookies. I can also get there by counting from 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Both of those tests show me it's an even number. We want 2 addition questions and 1 subtraction question, and the answers must all be 14. I know that this is my 10 and this is my 1s, so I know that an addition question of 10 plus 4 would equal 14. I always like to stop down and do my 10 frame now, so it can help me with my subtraction questions and also with my other addition questions. Let's say I pick the number 7. 7 plus how many more equals 14? So I'm going to color them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many did I leave not colored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's our double question we were talking about a little earlier. Go ahead and color all of your 10 frame dots if you used that coloring technique with me so that they look the same. And if you didn't, you can just leave them empty. I also like to use my 10 frame to get my subtraction question. I'm almost at 15, so I could say 15, 5, 10, 15. Take away this one would equal 14. But take away 1's an easy question for me, so I'm going to do 20, which is both frames. Take away all the empty ones in this frame. I can easily tell I have a 5 plus 1 more, which means 20 take away 6 equals 14. Counting up from 10, I can do 1 more. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Counting backwards from 15, I can find one less. 15, 14, 13. When I tally mark, I know I need a set of tally marks that show 10 and a set of tally marks that show 4. And tally marks come in groups of 5. So 2 groups of 5 for 10 and 4 more. There are no 100s. There is 1 10. We have it right here. And there are 4 more, or the 4 in the ones column shows me that I need 0, 1, and 4. 0 hundreds, 1 10, and 4 ones. You can go ahead and complete the number of the day at the same time as I do, or you can close your book, pause your video, and do it differently than me, then see if we got the same answers by checking in again later. Have a wonderful Tuesday.